People need the tools to defend themselves from things like this.
If you plan to visit those outlands, you're gonna want something reliable. I have one of these at home. Just plain fun to try. Anything breaks down, bring it in. 20 light year warranty. You have a good one.
Take your time. I'm pretty laid back. Oh, I think you're really gonna enjoy that. I used to offer a free ride home, but people thought it was weird.
I'd rather build stuff than break it, but inventions need testing.
My fight isn't with you, but if you insist. Bravery without strength is a sword without a blade.
They're right behind me, okay? Just take it. Don't open it. And definitely don't open it at night. Hmm?
We've really got to clean up these streets. Maybe a job.
All things in moderation. Oh, now this is a tasteful item. Happy to exploit you. I mean, help you.
Yes! Flying high.
Reward the peaceful? Your aura guided me to what you needed. Use that for the good of all. You are enough, friend. But I'm glad you bought this.
Let's stress test our gear, yeah?
be taking your shit. But I'm so glad to see ye. Wait! There's treasure here! Somewhere! I swear!
Upgrade everything, even me.
They don't make these like they used to.
By land, sea, or sky, arrow gets you there-o. Arrow gets you there-o. Oh, never get tired of that.
Anything you can win is a sport. That includes battle.
Hope you brought your parachute.
When we are finished, may I dissect you for study? Please, share with me your secrets.
You've just taken the first step toward good taste. You want to buy that? I mean, excellent choice.
For my next trick, I'll destroy you. Snuffed out! Extinguished!
The better I get, the more I can help.
Good food feeds my food. Literally makes you a better person.
Got a few new designs I want to try. Let me know what you think.
My dreams are too big for you to steal. Well, I'll admit, that was impressive.
Get good so you can do good. Bazaar will never be a safe place. I'm trying.
You don't have time not to buy this. Go, do, hurry! Look at this! You'll be so fast now!
Imagine the wonders waiting for us in the ground. That belongs in a museum, but I guess you can keep it.
Is this a social situation? I'm not great at those.
My people believe in peace. Boring! You can learn a lot from losing.
What's up? Come on in. Ooh, I saved that one from Curio's Junkyard. Cleaned up real nice. Hey, I use that brand myself. Quality stuff.
You may call me Cobweb, but time is a web. I will teach you to walk its threads. Savor a single second. See it from every angle. Until we meet again. Linger in your moments. Lie languid in the river of time.
Now, if I can just learn how to talk to him.
There are a lot of steps in this staircase, but it's beautiful up there.
Serve me. I am endless fire, unquenchable.
Gigamart's owner is the ultimate businessman. Take the deal. Who comes to Gigamart and doesn't buy anything?
I'll fly rings around you.
I may be young for a captain, but I've seen my share of stores. Defeat does not defeat me.
Little sentient slub shops. So I opened one.
If my family saw this, they'd be furious.
Soon I think you will be ready for Adira's training.
Cast aside your deathstruments! I can feel our energies resonating.
I hope I didn't hurt it too bad.
If I don't have what you need, I'll help you find who does. See that mountain? That's Pole. He might have what you need.
Just a little friendly sparring, right?
We're out to dethrone a king, not to squabble with nobodies. Next time, boys, less blunder, more plunder.
Watch out, Tantius Industries. Stell's workshop's on the rise.
Very well. I'll spare a moment to destroy you. You just used up all your luck.
My lessons are painful. Are you prepared? As long as you draw breath, your training is not complete.
Remember, diamonds come in small boxes. Whoever said money can't buy class had neither.
Hi, I'm Stelle Ingenious. Wanna fight?
You should know, I'm a bit of a legend on Pelago. Got talent, you should put it toward nobler use.
Hey, Uncle Odie. Maybe I'll be training you soon.
The Void King requires your presence. Your passion is shameful. Be and feel nothing.
If you have to ask the price, you can't afford it. You're a smart one for your size. I think that suits you beautifully.
Oh, you want to help me test my designs?
original parts? Form could upgrade you.
Yeah. Been working out.
People say, don't get so defensive, Fortis, but I'm a shield master. Are they hitting you? Or are they hitting themselves with you?
I was just trying to go to the hardware store.
Don't have scales? I can forge some for you.
Come on in. This baby will take you all the way to the builder's porch. Don't actually go there, of course.
This is like a sport, right? You're not really mad at me.
Go ahead. Underestimate me. It makes this more fun. Like my crew says at the bar, another round!
For me, this is talking fast.
Every test improves the design.
Yataria? The dunes? Where shall we start? I know, right? What else could be down there? That's the spirit! That looks like the Cretaceous era?
Okay, go away, please.
with no weapons, leave with big bargains. I feel like that decision comes from a negative.
What specs are you running? Oh, good luck.
My fight isn't with you, but if you insist. Bring her about! I've got another salvo in me.
As a GSM and master merchant, I can, I'll show those stumps back home. I'm gonna be a business tree. I bet Quixel or Midsworth would like this.
People here look so vulnerable.
That's a 24% increase in fuel efficiency.
My work is for the glory of Samaska. So, tell somebody.
I didn't want to hurt you, but you didn't give me a choice.
The Bazaar's a big place. You'll never see it all on foot. I sold one of these to my niece. Very safe machine. This baby will take you all the way to the builder's porch. Don't actually go there, of course.
Want to get lunch after this? Is that weird?
I may be young for a captain, but I've seen my share of storms. Next time, boys, less blunder, more plunder.
See that, Uncle Odie? Building a better bazaar.